Hello viewers. So my Highness has completed 1900 kilometers, 1922 to be precise, and I did my first service when it was roughly 400 kilometers. So I think not much of a running because of the duration I had to do the first service. और हमने उस टाइम पे 5W30 ऑयल यूज़ किया था विच इज़ यूज फॉर द BS6 व्हीकल्स जो आजकल एक ब्लैक कलर के होंडा के पैकेट में आता है या बॉक्स में आता है. And I thought ki the actual running in has happened post that. I had been on a long ride, almost put some 1300 plus kilometers on the Odo in that ride itself. And I think now it's time for me to change the oil and switch over to the fully synthetic engine oil, which is Honda's own throttle engine oil, which is you can see this in the box. So this is the oil that I'm talking about. Throttle SAE 10W30 100% synthetic. So this is one of the recommended grades. So Honda ne in fact manual mein they have recommended two grades. One is the 5W30 and the other one is the 10W30. So depending on the I'll say weather conditions, you can go with either of them. So either you can go with a 5W30 if you are living in a cold, or if it's too cold. If it's summertime, I would recommend go with 10W30. So I'm going to switch over to 10W30 now, and that's fully synthetic. Now, ये इसलिए कर रहा हूँ, and let me put a disclaimer here. I am doing this at my own risk. Okay, I don't know what the company recommends. I would recommend or suggest, advise people not to take my word as a this thing, and go with such a short oil, I'll say, change duration. I think, or I believe, I've been doing this for years. नए engine का I change the engine oil within short windows. Within the first 500 kilometers, one oil change, another 1500, another oil change, and 2500 kilometers, second oil change. For a Highness, I'm going to do it first 400, now almost 2000 kilometers, so 1500 kilometers. And maybe then there'll be another one at 4000, and then the company one which will happen in 6000, and thereafter I'll keep a duration of 4000 kilometers between two oil changes. And I'll also change the filter every time. So that's a best practice. Every time you change the oil filter तो आप change करते हो, but every 4000 5000 kilometers you should also change the air filter. This is what I have. I don't know whether my filter would be it will not be that contaminated, but kitna 158 rupees is not a big thing. So let's change. These are the things. These are small, or small things, but these are critical things which actually changes the performance of your bike. A lot depends on the air filter, oil filter, these kind of things. So I'll just put a fast forward mode now, or shoot in I'll say patches about what I'm doing. So the oil is going to come out really clean. I don't think 1500 kilometer mein kuch hoga, but the small burr particles that I suspect at I'll say the micron levels that I always keep on talking. In fact, there is burr, I'll say. If you look at the oil जो top film बन रहा है, this color, this discoloration has a the surface layer has a different color. So there were burr particles. Burr is metal, small metal pieces which are metal is fresh, थोड़ा सा उसमें जो scrapping होता है वो निकलता है. So there was little bit of burr on this. So good that I'm changing the oil. And like I said, again a disclaimer. I'll like to repeat the disclaimer. Please don't do this at home. So put the new filter in its place. The old filter is out, and I'm going to put the cap along with the spring. Don't think there's a need to change the O-ring. It's good. ज़्यादा फर्क, I mean, it's not been too long of a time कि O-ring कड़क हो जाएगी. So I'm just going to retain the O-ring. So we need 2 liters of throttle. I've already retained the drain nut. I've already put the cap back in its place, the oil filter cap. And this is throttle SA10W30, and this confirms all the the I'll say norms that are recommended for the highness. So it's MA, and it confirms the JASO T903. So when you say MA, there are two types of oil. So oils, synthetic oils में ऐसा होता है कि your car oil, a car synthetic oil cannot be used for a bike synthetic oil, because your MA oils are for motorcycle applications, wherein your clutch and engine oil are, they are the same. There are two different entities for a clutch or gearbox and the engine. So that is the reason ये motorcycles के लिए specially अलग से MA oil होता है synthetic में, which is purely for operations where the clutch and the engine oil are one and the same. I mean, there are no different oils for the each of them. So this throttle costs you 629 rupees. Okay, I think most of the showrooms are putting this. I don't know, as 10W30 is also recommended. But initially, I think when you're putting during the first free service, I'll say go with the mineral oil, the regular one, 5W30. I'm just going to put these 2 liters of oil into the engine now. So 2 liter oil मैंने डाल दिया है already engine में. The best part about this quantity of this Honda Highness oil is you don't have to arrange for 3 liters and then वो half liter बचाओ, वो waste हो जाता है. I mean, it's purely 2 liters. 2 bottle लो, ख़त्म कर दो, बात ख़त्म. So the Honda is on fully synthetic, and going forward it will always be on fully synthetic. So मुझे ऐसे हमेशा लगता है कि ऐसे करने से इंजन मुझे दुआ देता है. तो लाइफ में माँ बाप की दुआ, बच्चों की दुआ और इंजन की दुआ हमेशा मिलनी चाहिए. एंड if I change oil, keep the bike at a proper running condition, always it feels nice. So the next thing I'm going to do is open the air filter, check the condition of the air filter. If required, I'll replace it with a new one, or else I'll wait for the 4,000 kilometers period to get over. But I'm just going to open it and check the condition now. So the filter is not that contaminated. थोड़ा बहुत है. I mean, in the ये मी का फ़ोन है, इसलिए उसको थोड़ा सा ब्राइटनेस दे रहा है. बट इन रियलिटी द लुक इज़ इट इज़ लिटिल ऑन द डस्टी साइड. सो अंदर बॉक्स तो क्लीन है, द बैक साइड इज ऑल्सो क्लीन. So let me retain this filter. I'm not going to change it. I'll change it maybe in another 2,000 kilometers. 4,000 में मैं change करूँगा during my next oil change, which I'm going to put at 4,000 kilometers. Okay, so इसको अभी फ़िलहाल मैं retain कर देता हूँ. And if people want to take a look at how the filter looks, so this is how a Honda Highness filter looks. It's got a steel mesh on the back side, copper steel mesh, and it's a paper filter. This is how it fits. So that's it. I mean, I'm going to put it back, put all the panels back in its place, ending the video here itself. And like I said, this was done at my own risk, as per my own knowledge, my experience working in this automobile industry, in this field, service industry. And I am not encouraging, or I don't recommend people to do these things at home if you're not properly trained. So thank you for watching, and happy riding.